What you need for this recipe is 2 boxes of pasta. I'm just using these 2 today, but you can use whatever pasta that you want. You know, if you want to do macaroni or whatever, but that's what I chose. I got 3 packets of taco seasoning, a couple of pounds of ground whatever your family likes. This just happens to be turkey. You could definitely use ground beef. You could use ground chicken, whatever your family likes. I got a couple of diced cans of tomatoes and a jar of chunky salsa. And I might not end up using all this, but I've never done this recipe before. I'm kind of playing it by ear, so you're going to kind of learn as I go. So I'll put what I actually do at the end in the description box. What I'd like to mention is also onions. I'm putting a little bit of onions in the meat while it browns. This is some of the frozen onions that I had saved up in the freezer to put in this. So while it's browning, I put a little onions in it. I'm not putting any salt, pepper, anything like that, because the taco seasoning is going to go in this. So it really doesn't need any other seasoning. So I'm going to leave it as is. You're going to bring your pasta to a boil, cook according to the directions of the box, and then drain. You want to add 2 packs of the taco seasoning, which is on top, and then I'm going to add 1 cup of water, and I'm going to cook this all together and mix it in. Now that I've incorporated that, I'm going to add 1 can of diced tomatoes. I've cooked and drained 2 pounds of pasta, and now I'm going to add a little bit of pasta. And then I'm going to add a little bit of the meat, like half of it. And then I'm going to stir that together. I'm going to add a little bit of the salsa. And I'm just eyeballing it. Now I'm going to add more pasta. And you could definitely just do 1 pound of pasta if that feeds your family. And I'm going to add some more meat. Actually, I'm going to add the rest of the meat. And then I'm going to stir that around. Yeah, that looks too dry. I don't want it to be dry. That's why I'm adding the salsa. Salsa than I am. So I'm going to add a little bit of taco seasoning. And I'm judging this. I'm not going to use the whole packet. I could definitely add some more tomatoes to it. Yeah, I'm going to add the other can of tomatoes. That's good. I don't think I'm going to add anything else. I think the kids will like this. I'm not going to add anything else to it. And the thing is, it'll probably, once it gets in the fridge, it'll probably end up absorbing some of that liquid. So I could definitely add some more taco, sauce if I needed to kind of re-moisten it back up if the noodles have drawn it all out. But that's what's for dinner tonight. Make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Y'all come back now. You hear?